In this tutorial, I'll be going over the Health Sciences Research Ethics Board event forms available in ROMEO, where you can access them, when you should be submitting a form, who can submit a form, and how to complete an event form. You can access event forms at any time by clicking on applications submitted post-review, either under Role Principal Investigator or Role Project Team Member, depending on your role in the study, and then clicking on Events next to the study you wish to submit an event form for. The renewal form for approved studies will also be available through My Reminders 30 days before it is due. There are currently 7 event forms available in ROMEO, all of which are related to human ethics. Event forms allow you to make amendments to your approved human ethics certification applications, report any adverse events, and submit renewal requests for previously approved ethics certification applications. The bottom 4 event forms are all related to the Health Sciences Research Ethics Board. Human ethics certification applications need to be renewed every year for all active studies. If you have completed or abandoned your study, you will still need to send in one last renewal form to notify the board that your study is no longer active. 30 to 50 days before your renewal comes due, you will receive a notification email. The amendment form allows you to request approval for any changes you wish to make to your previously approved human ethics certification applications. For example, if you wish to increase the number of participants, make changes to your methodology, add or remove project team members, or make changes to any of the documents passed along to the participants, such as questionnaires, consent form, or letter of information, you would need to report this to the Ethics Board and request approval. The Health Sciences Research Ethics Board has 2 forms to report serious adverse events. These are commonly referred to as SAE forms. The first form, Serious Adverse Event Form Non-Local, is used to report SAEs that occur outside of the Queen's jurisdiction at other sites in multi-site studies. The second form, Serious Adverse Event Report Local, is to report events that occur internally. If you are completing the non-local SAE form and you have more than one case to report, you will need to download and complete the multi-event form, available through useful links on the researcher's portal, and attach it to your event form. For more information regarding Serious Adverse Events Policy and Guidelines, please visit the Office of Research Services website. Any project team member can access, complete, and submit event forms. Unlike the original Human Ethics Certification application, which had to be submitted by the principal investigator, event forms can be submitted by any project team member. Event forms are short and simple to complete and submit. In this example, I'll be using a Health Sciences Research Ethics Board annual renewal form for approved studies. The Event Info tab is not a required tab. You can use the text box to add any comments you would like to pass along to the reviewers. Remember to hit that Save button each time you complete a tab. The renewal form has 2 subtabs, one related to the project status and the other related to the recruitment status. Make sure you answer the required questions in both subtabs before you try to submit the form. Remember, if your study is no longer active, you should select either Abandoned or Completed for question 1.1. If you are renewing your application, please select Continuing. You can attach documents to your event form through the Attachments tab. The system accepts a wide variety of document formats such as Word files, spreadsheets, JPEG files, or PDFs. You may upload multiple attachments to your event form, provided that each document is no larger than 5 megabytes. If you can still see the Errors tab, then you have left some required questions unanswered. Check the Errors tab to see which question you skipped. Once all questions have been answered and the Errors tab has disappeared, you may submit your event form simply by clicking the Submit button. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video tutorial. For more information on event forms, please watch the video tutorial on submitting and tracking event forms.